Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is Samsung's latest flagship in the Fan Edition series, and it's packed with features designed to enhance every aspect of your mobile experience. From photography to performance, this phone is engineered for users who want power, flexibility, and intelligent features in one sleek package. Let's start with the design and display. The Galaxy S24 FE sports a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 2340 by 1080 resolution, giving you sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and incredible contrast. With a 120Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling social media to gaming feels fluid and responsive. The display also peaks at 1900 nits, which ensures clear visibility even under bright sunlight. Graphite finish gives it a modern, sophisticated look, while the lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Performance is where the Galaxy S24 FE truly shines. Powered by the Exynos 2400 E9945 processor and 8 GB of RAM, this device handles multitasking effortlessly. Opening multiple apps, browsing, streaming, or gaming runs smoothly with no noticeable lag. Coupled with 128 GB of storage, there's ample room for your apps, photos, videos, and files. For those who love gaming or high-performance apps, the phone supports 5G connectivity, ensuring faster downloads and seamless streaming. The camera system is a major highlight. The 50MP high-resolution rear camera captures crisp, detailed photos in all lighting conditions. Samsung's Galaxy AI adds a layer of intelligence to your photography. With features like Photo Assist, you can move, remove, or resize objects in your shots for perfectly composed images. The night portrait mode optimizes low-light shots, bringing out details even in dark environments. Slow-motion enthusiasts will enjoy the Instant Slow MO, which allows you to replay your videos in dramatic slow motion, while real-time translation features let you understand text, calls, and even in-person conversations in different languages. The 10MP front camera is excellent for selfies and video calls, producing vibrant and sharp images. Battery life is another strong point. The 4700 mAh battery is designed to last all day. Coupled with intelligent battery management, it ensures that your frequently used apps are optimized for power efficiency. Whether you're working, streaming videos, or gaming, you'll find that the phone keeps up without constant recharging. For added convenience, the Galaxy S24 FE supports fast charging and wireless charging, so powering up is always quick and effortless. Samsung also integrates a range of useful features to make daily use more convenient. The fingerprint sensor ensures secure access, while water resistance adds durability for everyday accidents. The phone is fully unlocked, giving you the freedom to choose any carrier in the US. It also runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, providing a modern and intuitive interface, complete with useful customization options. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a well-rounded smartphone that excels in performance, display, camera quality, and battery life. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a mobile gamer, or someone who simply wants a reliable phone that can keep up with modern demands, this device delivers. Its combination of powerful hardware, intelligent AI features, and premium design make it a top choice for 2024. If you're looking for a phone that is feature-packed, fast, and capable of producing stunning photos and videos, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is a smart investment that will serve you well for years to come.